So today in this video we will be studying about distance or path length. The distance traveled by a moving object refers to the actual length of the path it covers. To illustrate this concept, consider the following example. A boy takes a complete round of a rectangular field with a length 40 meters and width 30 meters along the path AB, BC, CD and then finally DA. So if we want to calculate the total distance traveled by him along this path, it will be simply equal to the sum total of AB, BC, CD and DA, leading to the final value as 140 meters. That is, the boy covers a total distance of 140 meters in one complete round of the field. Now, let's consider another example, which is to calculate the distance covered by a particle moving along the circular path. Now, this is similar to previous example, but with the difference that the shape of the path is circular instead of rectangular. Now, let us assume that the radius of the circular path is 28 meters. So, if we want to calculate the distance covered in one round, see, if a boy starts from point O and reach at the point O only, the distance traveled by him will be approximately equal to the circumference of the circle. Now, formula for circumference is 2 pi r, where pi is the value equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. So, total distance comes out to be 176 meter. Now, this is the distance traveled in one complete round. Let us assume that the particle covers 5 rounds. So, total distance covered for 5 rounds can be calculated by simply multiplying the distance covered in one round with 5, which is equal to 880 meters. That is, particle covers a total distance of 880 meters after completing 5 rounds. Now, the last example is, consider a man standing at point A such that he moves from A to B having distance 3 kilometers and then from B to C having distance again 3 kilometers. So, can you tell me what will be the total distance traveled by man? It will be AB plus BC, leading to the value as 6 kilometers. Now, consider another example such that man moves from A to B but then comes back from B to A. What will be the total distance in this case? It will be 3 plus 3 again equal to 6 kilometers. Now, it is clear from the above examples that distance covered is the total path length of the motion and is independent of direction of motion. In other words, distance is a scalar quantity, meaning that distance only has the numerical value, or we can say it only has the magnitude and has no direction. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.